When in vehicle-to-vehicle distance control mode, dynamic radar cruise control with full speed range can help reduce your workload on the highway by helping to manage the distance between you and a vehicle in front of you. This system can also be turned off and placed in constant speed cruise control mode, which functions like a traditional cruise control and will hold the speed you set. In vehicle-to-vehicle distance control mode, your Toyota will accelerate, slow down, or even stop if necessary to maintain a preset distance from the vehicle in front, without requiring the driver to operate the accelerator or brake pedal. Vehicle-to-vehicle mode uses a radar sensor that detects vehicles up to 120 meters ahead and maintains a set distance from the vehicle in front. When a vehicle ahead is traveling slower than your set speed, the system will automatically decelerate your vehicle using the brakes if necessary. If there are no vehicles ahead, your Toyota will gradually accelerate and maintain the set speed. If a vehicle ahead slows down and comes to a stop, your Toyota will as well. When the vehicle moves again, push the cruise control lever up or press the accelerator pedal to resume cruise control. It is important to note that if the system cannot detect the vehicle ahead, dynamic radar cruise control may not re-engage and accelerating manually will be necessary. If a vehicle ahead is too close, for example, if another vehicle cuts into your lane or the vehicle ahead stops suddenly, your Toyota may not be able to decelerate in time on its own. If this happens, you will hear a buzzer and the cruise control display will flash. Use the brakes to reduce your speed and stop safely as required. You may not get a warning immediately after setting the cruise control if you are pressing the accelerator pedal, or if the vehicle ahead matches or exceeds your speed or is traveling at an extremely slow speed. Always turn the cruise control system off when you're not using it. To turn on dynamic radar cruise control, press the on-off button on the stalk of the cruise control lever. Pressing this button again will turn the system off. Holding the button for more than 1.5 seconds engages the constant speed control. Use the accelerator pedal to reach your desired speed. Then push the cruise control lever downwards to set the speed. The set indicator will illuminate and your Toyota will maintain that speed. To change the set speed, push the lever up to increase it or down to decrease it. There are 3 distance settings for vehicles ahead. The system is automatically set to long each time the dynamic radar cruise control system is turned on. To adjust between the distance settings, press the distance selector button. The chosen setting will appear on the multi-information display. An indicator will appear in the display to show when a vehicle ahead has been detected. To cancel the cruise control, pull the lever toward you or depress the brake pedal. To resume the previously set speed, push the lever upwards. When a vehicle in front of you slows down and stops, causing your Toyota to also stop, the cruise control is still active. Inclement weather and dirt and debris accumulated on the radar sensor may affect its ability to detect vehicles, and the system may be temporarily disabled. If the system is inoperable, you will receive a warning and a message will be displayed in the multi-information display. Constant speed cruise control will still function. There are several situations where cruise control should not be used. These include roads with pedestrians or cyclists, in heavy traffic, on winding or slippery roads, on roads with sharp bends, on steep downhill grades, when towing a trailer or entering a highway, or in conditions that require you to frequently accelerate or slow down. Do not use the dynamic radar cruise control in bad weather, such as snow or heavy rain, which could affect sensor operation. The sensors may have difficulty detecting preceding motorcycles, trailers with no loads, or vehicles with very high ground clearances. Do not use the dynamic radar control when you are behind them. The system may not work properly in narrow lanes, on curves, when your vehicle is not facing straight ahead in the lane, or when the preceding vehicle slows down quickly. The system may automatically cancel itself in certain circumstances. These include when the vehicle's stability control or traction control are activated or turned off, if pre-collision braking is activated, or if you are traveling well below the preset speed. Dynamic radar cruise control with full speed range is only intended to help the driver manage distance from a preceding vehicle. It does not assist the driver in low visibility situations and is not intended to allow for careless or distracted driving. The system is not capable of making any judgment other than driving distance. It has no capability to prevent or avoid a collision. Be aware of your surroundings, remain alert at all times, and when required, take immediate and direct control of the vehicle to avoid any unsafe conditions. The features and functions described in this video might not be applicable to your Toyota model. See your owner's manual for details. Thanks for watching this Know Your Toyota video.